Right, welcome back. Now, we reached the place where you can actually set a new blog address. So you click, in fact, you come to publishing. That's on the sub menu of settings. Publishing, then you click on blog address. You can change it here to whatever blog address you desire. Now, the next thing you can see here is custom domain. What this means is that maybe you don't want the default blog address Google is giving you. So Google will give you maybe my blog address is practicecoding.blogspot.com. I want to actually customize my blog domain so that people will know my brand. So maybe I'll say I want to use practicecoding.com. Just simple like that. Or practicecoding.org.info. Site, whatever you want to use. You want to get rid of that blogspot.com. Now, if you want to do that, you have to go and buy a domain. You have to go and buy domain. You can go to godaddy.com and go and buy a domain. When you buy it there, they will show you, there are steps to show you. Now, when you buy it there, then you bring it here, you come and enter it here, then you save it. So anybody who will visit your blog address, maybe I went to buy practice coding Yakubu or Jacob Rafat, please speak.
It's okay. It's Yakubu. Please, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. So how exactly do we buy a domain? And like, please, can you brief us through the process? Because are we going to buy it in dollars, or like how is the transaction going to be convenient for us?
Okay, wow. Then today is going to be a very long session. Don't worry. I'll take you
Okay.
through how to buy a domain. Let's finish with the blog. Okay,
Okay, no problem.
now, so we will come back to this. So we have HTTPS. Now, this means that, take note, is it the networking class or the hacking class? Yes, I remember the hacking class. I taught you guys HTTP, then S. Now, automatically, the address Google gives you protects you. Maybe you don't want to protect your blog for any reason. The S here stands for security. That's why when you visit a website, so a website that is secured, you can see there is a padlock attached to this blog.com, meaning it is secured. This is the padlock, meaning it is secured. So practicecoding.blogspot.com, you can see my padlock, meaning it is secured automatically. Google secures it for you so that no hacker can actually disturb you or no intruder. Now, in a case you don't want any protection for any reason, you just switch this thing off. It will take your protection off. Then you use http no s dot blogspot, whatever the address dot blogspot.com, but it is not advisable. Right. Now, another thing is permissions. Who are you going to give permissions to? Now, here it allows you to give permissions to other people who can actually access the back end of your blog. That means people who can actually post on your blog. So maybe you are dealing with a group of, or you are a group of people maintaining a club's website, blog website. So maybe you want to add someone to it so that in the absence of you, a person can actually come and update it. So here to gives you permission to do that. We have invites. You can invite people to your blog using their email addresses. public read access. Do you want your blog to be restricted to certain people only, or you want everyone public? It gives you the permission to do that. Now the next thing is post. Post here means the maximum number of posts you want to show on your main page. Default, on the default, it gives you 7. So on the default, just 7 posts, but you can increase it to as many as you want to be shown on your page. It depends on you, and it depends on whatever type of website you are building. Okay, we have post template. This is not that necessarily needed. You can read about it since we are way behind time. Now, comments. So a comment, do you want comment to be embedded in your website? Yes, you can choose the type you want to be shown on your blog site. Now, comments from message. So actually, you can actually link your email to your comment, so that when someone comments on your blog, you can get it straight in your email. Then you reply the person. Comment is the same here, the email, to get your details of the email to actually be receiving the comments from people. Now you can actually set the time zone of your blog website. We have errors and redirects. Sometimes Google service might be very busy. So most of you actually have been encountering, when you visit a website, it says error 404. It's actually mean the server is busy. And so a lot of people are accessing a particular resource at a particular time. Meaning if you don't have a strong connection, you can't access it. This thing mostly happens to the University of Ghana students when it's residential system. A lot of people accessing a particular file at the same time. The strongest of the network survives. Okay. Now we have manage blog. We have import content. Maybe you have a previous blog, you can import it content to the new one. You can back up, you can back up your blog and save it somewhere, so that should there be a case you lose any content, you can upload the backup one. Now we have videos from your blog. You can be saving videos from your blog. Now you can also remove your blog. You build a blog website, maybe you build for someone, and maybe there's a fight or something. You just want to remove the blog. You can come here, just remove the blog, make it vanish. The person will use the address, go there, it will tell the person there is no such blog. So it gives you the ability to remove your blog. Right, so far so good. Any question before we move on?
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Deborah.
In case, like what you said, you created a blog for someone, then does it mean that, let's say when you have your blog, like you have, like the person has the blog, but then you have the original blog, so you can have access to that blog, or it's for the person eternally?
When you create a blog for someone, so let's say someone has given you a contract to create a blog site for him or her. Now, the person will use his or her email details, because whenever you are logging into your backend, this side, you will use your email details, so your password and your email. Now, when you build for the person, it means you are using the person's details. And when you are done, the person might decide to change his or her password. And if the person changes it, that's all, you can't get access to this site. So meaning it's for the person forever, unless the person gives you permission to come here or give you the password. Now, in case the person actually shares it with you, meaning you both know the email address and the password. Well, you can come here and do whatever you want to do. That means you are coming to play Wicked or something to the person. Wait, am I recording this session? Okay, yes, I'm recording. Yes, so Deborah, are you okay now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. Winnie, you want to speak? Right. Any question before we proceed? Okay. We can also move on to reading list. These are some articles blogger would want you to go through, but you don't want to go through, just forget about it. Now I'm switching on to something. What we are going to switch on is a bit technical. Please take note. Here means you've actually done 80% of your blog. You've actually done 80% of your blog. Now, the next thing is we are going to go to a template website, download the template of our choice, come and install it on our blog. Then we will view it on our blog website and see how our blog looks like. Okay, so you open a new address bar. I'm sending you a new link in your DM. Use that one. Now, let me check the chat session. I'm sending you a link. Go to that link. Now, this is sample, let's say, template you can use on your blog. So you can make your blog look like this, or this, or this, or this, or this, or this, or this. Like you can choose from many as you want. So you can actually sit down, go through a whole, you can click on view all templates, what your heart says your blog should look like. You can actually choose that one. So you go through a whole lot. So I've sent you the link. Those practicing along, you can go through. So I'll go through mine, then maybe I'll say, let me just choose a simple one. So let's say, let me choose, let's say I'm building a business blog. So let me choose Sora Shop. So I click on it, click on close here. This one is an add. Now, this blog will open, this blog template will open for me. When it opens, there are three things I can do here. When you scroll down, it says live preview, buy, download. Now, when you click on live preview, it means it's actually going to show you how it looks like. So we've actually clicked on live preview. Then this is how the template looks like. If you like it, that's fine. So this is how, if you want this one, this is how our blog will be looking like. So let's say we are building a business blog whereby we will be selling stuffs. If you want this and you are satisfied with this, that's fine. So we can go back. Then you don't need to buy. In fact, you don't need to pay anything. You can set up your whole blog. Okay, so you can just click on download. You click on download. So I'm using Safari. Safari tells you to allow, so you allow. It depends on the browser you are using. Okay, now I think it's downloaded. Yes, it's downloaded. Now when it's downloaded, go to your download. Go to your download, then open that download.
Sir,
Yes.
Yeah, I'm kind of lost, even though I am there. I can see um responsive templates, free blogger templates, and SEO ready templates.
Click on responsive templates. Click on.
Okay.
So you choose from any of the templates. You just click on choose from the one you like.
Okay, sir.
After choosing from it, you click on download, then you download it. Download it. Please follow everything from here. Here going is a bit technical. Please follow it carefully. You download it. So you click on download to get your template. Now, after getting it, you go to where your file was downloaded. So let me show you where my file is downloaded. Then you open that folder. It will open to you as a folder. So here is my screen. You can see this is what gave me what I downloaded. This is what it gave me. This is what it gave me. Now, among the files it has given you in your download, please take note here. Among these files, the one we are going to target is the one with the ending .xml. .xml. Forget about the rest. The one we are going to target is .xml. So we open this one. So you open with your just open with your text editor or just double click it. I don't know if you have text editor. So those having Sublime, you can those having VS Code or those having text editors, just open it. So open it. So me, I'm opening with Sublime. Now I'm showing you when you open with Sublime how it's going to look like. Okay, this is what you will be seeing when you open with Sublime. This is what you will be seeing. Don't panic. It's not actually any serious coding. Now, this is very simple. What you are coming to do here is very simple. Just copy everything here. So Control plus A, then Control plus C. So copy select everything and copy it. Control. Don't change anything. Don't touch anything. Just copy everything. Just highlight everything and copy it. That's the only thing you have to do here. Now, after that, go back to your blog, the back end of your blog. So let's go back. So we are going back. Now we've come back to the back end of our blog. We've copied everything, then we've come back here. Right, now, when you come back here, click on theme. Click on theme. Click on theme. Then when you click on theme, go to the top, we have my theme, we have customize. Don't click on customize. Click on the small arrow. Click on that one. Click on small arrow. Attach this to the customize. Then click on edit HTML. Click on edit HTML. Just click on that one. Okay. Now, when you click on edit HTML, this is what will open. Don't panic. This is what will open. Please, anyone lost or any question up to here?
Hello, sir.
Godson.
Yeah, I want to ask. Let's see,
Why?
with everything you taught us, with the HTML, how to create a website on your own. So let's say you created the interface yourself, like the front end yourself, how you want everything to look like. You coded everything yourself. So can you copy that same code and then bring it here?
Right. No. Because in Blogger, you see, in the HTML you created, you have your CSS file. Some of you have 2 files, 3 files. You have your pictures somewhere. Blogger, everything is embedded here. So maybe you can do it on one thing. Maybe you would have to insert everything in one code, in one H2. Your HTML file should have an inline CSS. But I don't know how you are going to get your pictures, your chosen pictures. Because in Blogger, these templates, some people have actually sat down to design each layers. So if you can actually get these templates and edit them to your own preference, that's a great way. By you sitting down hard code to actually create something like this, well, I won't say you can't do it. You can do it, but it's going to take you a lot of time and a lot of energy to do that. The best thing you can do is to maybe go through this template, you download them, then you actually edit.
Sir,
Andrea,
yes, please, can you go over, like, go back a little? Like when you copied the text from the text editor,
okay, I'll go
like
back.
where do you go to?
Yes, I'll go back to that.
Okay.
So, Godson, as I was saying, if you want to use your own hard code HTML, note that then you should put everything in one file. You can't be having CSS files separate and have HTML files separate. No. So maybe you have to build in one file. So your CSS should be included in your HTML file. Then your pictures, well, I don't know how you are going to get that, but you can bring that one there. Or better still, you can download these templates, then edit them to suit you. Because in this Blogger template, they've actually arranged sections. So we will go to the layout. You will see that at the layout, you can be able to add pictures there. So that's why most people, they just sort to these templates, they download them, then they edit it to their preference. Watson, are you okay now?
Okay, thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Andrea, let's go back. Now, when you download your file, your template file, you go to where it was saved. So these are my files. This is what I downloaded and this is what I got. Now, double click or open among the file which has .xml among the files. Open that one which has .xml. Basically, I think is the one that has version in its name. So open that one. Now, when you open that one, let's open that one. You are going to see this. A whole lot of code, HTML code. Now, when you see it, highlight everything and copy it. So So Control plus A, Control plus C. Those using the Mac, Command A, Command C. Command A, Command C. Now, after that, you go to the back end of your Blogger. So let's go back. Here, you come here, the back, and then you click on theme. Click on theme. When you click on theme, you come to customize. Don't click on the customize. Click the arrow attached to the customize. Then click on edit HTML. Edit HTML. You wait, this page will open for you. This page will open for you. That's another code. This is the code of your current blog website. So you highlight everything. The next thing, you highlight everything, then you delete it. Highlight everything, then you delete it. Then you paste what you copied. So Command V, I pasted what I copied from the template. After that, you click on save. There is a save button at where you are. So you click on save. Now it will be saying processing, that's saving. Wait till it tells you it is saved. Still processing. Still processing. So this, you are installing a Blogger template. Okay, so it says update successful. It has finished everything. Now it has finished installing my Blogger template. Mercy, do you have something to say?
Please, from the copying from Sublime, I'm lost.
Okay. Now, you open what you downloaded in the Sublime. You select everything. Control plus E, then you copy. Control plus C, then you copy it. Now you come to the back end of your Blogger. That's here, where I explained everything. Then you click on theme. Just click on theme. After clicking on theme, go to customize. Then click on the arrow, small arrow there. Click on edit HTML. Edit HTML. Now, after that, you copy what's existing. So you highlight everything. Don't copy, please. Highlight everything. Then you delete it. Then you paste what you actually copied from your Sublime or wherever you copied it. You paste it. Then you click on save. You click on save from the top. Click on save. Those using phones too, you have save at the menu there. Click on save. Now when you click on save, you can go back. Oh, let me save it. Yes, so let's go back. I've already saved this. Now you can click on view blog. Now you can see my blog website now. Very nice blog website. Because there are no pictures here, there are no, because I haven't posted anything. So I built a business blog website now. Very simple one. Now with this one, let's go back. So this is how it looked like before we installed a template. This is before and this is after. Huge difference. Now we can go back and edit our blog. Click on layout. Layout. Click on layout. You have a lot to edit here. You have a lot to edit here. I'll teach you one or two, then I'll leave you for you at your own free time. You will explore. Now at here, you can edit your blog header. So practice all about coding. You can edit this and save it. Free shipping. You can edit anything here. So you see the image, everything is here. So you can upload a new image from here and you save it. So you can make various edits from here on your blog. Now, after installing your blog template, your blog looks very empty, though it's built, nicely built, but no post or no product. You've not posted any product. Let's try and add products to our blog website. So you come to the back and you click on new post. New post. Please let me know if I'm running very fast. You come here, you click on new post. Now, at this new post, you have a whole lot of features you can do here. You can actually let's say font type, font size, bold, italic, a whole lot. Insert a picture. So let's say you want to insert a picture. So you click on insert a picture. This menu will open. You click on choose files. So let's say we are going to choose file, upload. You can choose as many files as you want. Now when you choose it, it's going to be shown here. So maybe let's say selling okay, let's say clothes. Now in your clothes, when you look at the other side, we have label. You can label them. So you see, sometimes you visit the website, they will say categories. So they say men's shorts, women's shorts, or dress or something, top, down, a whole lot, watches. So this is how they do it. They come to the label, they write watch here. So watch is now a label. Now I can watch. So these are the categories I'm creating. I can say t-shirt. It also applies to those on the news site. So let's say sports. This is where you'll be applying these labels. Now after that, after this, and maybe you can also write something under it. Very affordable. And you can add the price to, so let's say $10. So then you come here, you click on publish. So it will ask me. Our class will end in a moment from now. We will rejoin again and continue our session. Thank you.